It's one program that resonates with excellence and distinction, to be quite honest. My name is Aminu Agbonikhena. I'm the production lead operator at Chevron Nigeria Limited. It's one program that resonates with excellence and distinction, to be quite honest. I want to gather some of the data we've been generating so far, and then I want to see what I can do, playing with some models, you get the point, and then seeing how some of these things actually play out, okay, in the real world. So those faculties were really, really wonderful. The ins and outs of what they are delivering. They have the domain expertise, okay, regarding those fields. Mentor learning section, that's the mentors. That really added value, okay. And then I must also commend the content of the modules, the way the modules were laid out, okay. Yes, that's systematic ordering of those modules. I want to really commend that. The goal of the program basically is, understanding modeling, how you can design model, okay, then get your predictions right, and all of that, understand what kind of model you can apply part time, and for me it was really achieved. I think it takes discipline if you really want to get the best out of the program. In terms of your time management, being disciplined, being dedicated, being focused, okay? These are key ingredients that you will need.